Kyle with Rocket Man Plumbing, and today we're going to talk about water leaks and what you need to do if you have one. If you have a water leak, water starts spraying underneath the sink or next to a toilet, the most important thing to do is shut off your water. Most houses, some older houses don't have one, but almost all houses have a water shut-off valve that shuts off all your water inside your house someplace. Now the places that could be, it could be underneath a bathroom sink. It could be next to your hot water heater on a wall. It could be behind your laundry room. There's no spot that it might be. It's going to be at one of those places if you have one. If you do not have one, you can shut the water off at the water meter. The water company doesn't like people to shut the water off from there because it's their meter, and it's kind of like, well, if you break it, you buy it attitude from them. Some water meters shut off super easy. You can actually do it with your hand. Some of them you need a little crescent wrench, but the best way to shut them off is with what's called a meter key, and it's about 3 feet long, and it's got a hook on the end, or two bars. You stick it over it and you turn it, and there's two holes where if you don't pay your water bill, there's two holes that will line up so the water company can put a lock on your meter if you haven't paid your water bill. If you shut it off from there, you want to line those two holes up, and then your water will be off, and then you can call Rocket Man Plumbing. We'll come out, fix the leak, turn the water back on, and life will be awesome again. Again, it's good to know where your shutoff valve is before you have an emergency. It's also good to know that it works. If you have a hot water leak on top of your hot water heater, there should be another shutoff valve that just shuts off your hot water. And as long as that works, it's the same thing. Then you can turn that off, get someone out to fix the leak, but in the meantime, you would still have cold water and your toilets would still work. This is Kyle with Rocket Man Plumbing, hoping you have no problems, but if you do, call Rocket Man Plumbing.